This is the Rail Ridge Fire, started September 2nd by lightning strike. As you can see, it's 176,619 acres. As of this recording, it's only 92% contained, and it's less than a mile away from the house. We hopped in the side-by-side to view the devastation. Looking across this valley, this is just the tip of the fire. See how the fire just swept across this hillside. Just a stark contrast from where the fire stopped. It's amazing how some of these plants were spared, but others totally decimated. Those white spots aren't snow, that's piles of ash. Even at 92% contained, there's still 395 people working on this fire. Since this was an active fire, we couldn't go investigate too far up north. We only covered a couple of acres. Here you can see where they dropped some retardant. That's a long ridge of rocks that the fire managed to jump over. I just want to take a second to say thank you to all the men and women who are helping fight this fire and all the other fires in Oregon. We returned home thankful for what we had and a beautiful sunset. Thank you for watching.